Alright, so welcome to another video on the channel. My name is Paul, and in today's video you're actually going to learn a little bit more about how Google Workshop works, how the review systems actually qualifies your online business through the listings of your local business, and how you can actually scale through the ranks, go up on the ranking and put your local business at the top without actually having to pay for Google Keywords, SEO or Google Ads. So you basically will be competing with the big ones without actually spending single penny. So yeah, you'll be up there, people will see and will click your website. So you'll get basically more clients, more leads into your business without you actually having to work or pay someone or anything to do so. So yeah, in today's video, you're going to learn about how I implement these systems into my own clients so they can get awesome results and killer reviews from their customers, right? So yeah, you're basically going to learn how my agency delivers the service to my customers. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into the video. So yeah, with that being said, you'll be actually learning how to attract organic traffic into your own website. Organic traffic is basically leads that you are not paying for and are basically qualified leads since they are actively looking for example, a kitchen renovation, right? And when they say kitchen renovation in, for example, Denver or Colorado or whatever, right? You will appear at the top without them actually, without you having to actually pay a single penny on Google Ads or whatever, because your services, your business will actually have ton of reviews and ton of basically proven work that you have done, that your future customers will actually see all those reviews, all those awesome reviews, right? And they will actually click at your business. So yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into work. All right, so just to give you an example, I've searched for kitchen renovations in Denver, US, and as you can see with a quick search, you can basically see all the local businesses that appear. So with just a quick glance, you can already see that in the past 5 years, they only had 7 reviews, which is honestly extremely low. They for sure had awesome clients and a lot of clients and a lot of results. As you can see here, we have 41 plus photos. So this could be actually even more reviews that they could even get. But we're not going to enter into this aspect of the photos. We're actually going to talk about their reviews. So as you can see quickly right here, a 4.3 average on those 7 reviews. And you can actually see that someone here rated their business with a 1 star. So yeah, with just a quick glance, we've already seen that they've been in the business for 5+ years and they only have 7 reviews. But with another quick glance, we can also see that their most relevant reviews, their last reviews, were 3 years ago, which is honestly pretty long ago. And as you can see, if we keep scrolling down, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 3 years ago, and the list goes on and on. And as you can see, their only 1-star review was actually 3 weeks ago, which is actually pretty bad. This could actually affect on their local business listings, and this could affect on their client acquisition. So now the question will be, how am I going to take this business, this average business, because it is not at the bottom, right? But it is kind of average, right? Since their last review was 3 years ago, how am I going to do it? How am I going to scale this business all the way at the top? Because yes, it is possible and I know a way to do it. And that's why you are here, because I'm going to show how you can also do it. The following steps that I would actually do is to actually click their photos and basically analyze them. They're, as you can see, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, which it is kind of very long ago. First thing I would totally do is to basically upload new photos and basically keeping these photos up to date, so Google understands that this business is fully running and also it's uploading new photos every now and then. So Google will actually understand that this business is active, and if someone is active, Google will actually boost that active account because it's keeping their social media, their Google site right up to date. So this will actually boost a little bit your Google listings on your local business, right? You can actually put photos of yourself working on your clients' projects, right? So your clients then will feel kind of that they are in a business that is run by people, not by kind of a business, right? It is run by actual people. And when people actually sees skin, right, they kind of feel more familiar with it, right? So as you can see right here, right, well, right here, sorry, you can see, for example, a contractor working on a house remodeling that could actually be your client's remodeling, and this actually creates a positive effect. Moving on, we can actually, well, put photos of your team when they are designing a project or whatever with their clients, and also you can put, as I said, up-to-date photos of your kitchen renovations, right, of your remodeling or whatever your services that you are running, in order to basically keep up to date and to not have, you know, a 5 years ago post of renovations that you did. And once your client actually, because let's put it into this example right here, okay? Let's say that you want a remodeling or you want an exact service, right? And you search on the internet, and the first or one of the first services that it appears, or you know, you are actively looking for, and you actually click into one of these websites and their last service was 5 years ago or 3 years ago, you won't actually take it serious or that serious, because you will actually think that that business maybe is not at that level, or maybe something happened so they are not uploading, right? So all this kind of, you know, internal thinkings appear into your possible future customers, right? And if they start thinking all this stuff, this can really affect, well, this can really have a bad effect on your business. So yeah, on your client acquisition, try to always be kind of clean and up to date, and not have, you know, for example, photos for 5+ years ago or whatever, right? But okay, all this sounds pretty funny and all this sounds really interesting, but how do you deliver results for your clients? So let me just tell you something. Could you imagine a system, a proven software that could follow up automatically on your clients without you having to actually take care on, and you could actually deliver, well, your results without actually having to work on it, and you could basically have a service or a system working at the background, basically taking care of all your clients' needs. For example, your client's review request. So let's say that you finished a service and you don't actually remember to ask your clients to leave a killer review. So don't worry, we got your back with our systems. You can basically wait one day, and then these systems will automatically, without you having to do anything, send an email and an SMS, which actually will tell, hi, first name, which is, for example, John, hope you're doing well. We just wanted to ask you if you would be willing to rate us 1 out of 5 on our service provided. How many stars would you give us? From the, for example, AdImprove team, which is actually my agency. And yeah, our system will actually wait 30 hours, and if your clients basically replies within these 30 hours, it will actually filter their answer. If they rated your services between 1 and 3 stars, it won't actually upload it into your Google Workshop because it is seen as a bad review. But if you actually get a killer review with between a 4 and a 5 stars, right, it will actually upload it into your Google Workshop, and you will actually have that killer review from your customer up there without you having to actually even messaging them. And once you've messaged them, you don't have to even filter if that review was great or not, right? But let's say that they don't answer to this first sequence that we send them. So we'll actually follow up a day later, asking them again if they could review our services. And again, if they review our services, it will do the same. It will filter it, and it will only put the positive review, the killer reviews on your Google Workshop, and the bad ones will actually just leave it there. And this follow-up system, we made it until, well, basically up to 3 days, because we are just getting 100% response rate. So yeah, you'll be getting killer reviews without you actually having to work on your clients. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you now learned how I deliver results for my clients and how you can actually implement this kind of software and services into your own business, or you can do it by yourself by actually messaging your clients so you can basically get up there without actually having to pay for any Google keyword or whatever. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you found some value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!